Do you know which nuts are beneficial for your health and which ones aren't? Let's dive into the world of Nutty Health, where we'll unveil the secrets of these tiny powerhouses of nutrition. Nuts are indeed a great source of protein and healthy fats, but it's important to remember not all nuts are created equal. Some can be a boon to your well-being, while others might not be as healthful as you think. Stay tuned to learn which nuts you should be munching on and which to avoid. First, let's dive into 6 nuts that are doing wonders for your health. Almonds, the first on our list, are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're packed with protein, heart-healthy fats, and antioxidants. These little gems can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health, making them a perfect snack for those mindful of their heart's well-being. Next up, we have walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are not only delicious but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for brain health. They're also known to help in reducing inflammation and improving gut health. Moving on to pistachios, these green kernels are high in fiber, promoting good digestive health. They're also known for their potential role in weight management, thanks to their high protein content and low calorie count. Brazil nuts are a unique one. They're an excellent source of selenium, a mineral that plays a critical role in maintaining a healthy immune system and metabolism. Let's not forget about cashews. These kidney-shaped nuts are rich in iron and magnesium, both essential for maintaining a robust immune system and promoting bone health respectively. Lastly, we have pecans. They're packed with antioxidants and can help lower LDL, also known as bad cholesterol, making them a great addition to a heart-healthy diet. Incorporating these nuts into your diet can truly boost your health. And remember, moderation is key. Too much of even a good thing can be counterproductive. So enjoy these nutritious nuts, but always in moderation. Now it's time to discuss 6 nuts that might not be as beneficial as you think. Firstly, we've got macadamia nuts. While they are delicious, they're also packed with the highest caloric content among all nuts. This can lead to weight gain if consumed excessively. Next, coconuts are technically a fruit, but they're often grouped with nuts due to their hard shell. Despite their popularity, coconuts contain high levels of saturated fats, which can increase the risk of heart disease. Moving on to chestnuts, they are low in protein and high in carbohydrates compared to other nuts. If you're after a protein punch, chestnuts might not be your best bet. Then we have peanuts. Though technically legumes, they're commonly considered as nuts. Peanuts are often roasted in oil and salted, which can lead to high sodium intake and potential cardiovascular issues. Fifth on the list are pine nuts. They're delicious and packed with nutrients, but they can cause a rare condition called pine mouth, which leaves a bitter or metallic taste in your mouth for days. Finally, ginkgo nuts. While popular in Asian cuisine, raw ginkgo nuts can be toxic if consumed in large amounts due to a toxin called MPN. While these nuts can still be enjoyed in moderation, it's best to limit their consumption for optimal health. So, what have we learned today about the world of nuts? We've discovered that almonds, walnuts, pistachios, cashews, Brazil nuts, and hazelnuts are excellent choices for our health. They pack a nutrient-rich punch with their protein, fiber, and healthy fats. On the flip side, we've also learned why we should limit our intake of peanuts, macadamias, pecans, pine nuts, chestnuts, and coconuts. Remember, when it comes to nuts, choosing the right ones can make all the difference to your health. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.